Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML meta tags. HTML allows meta tags that carry additional important information about a HTML document. HTML document can have one or more meta tags. Meta tag is an empty element that doesn't need a closing tag, but carries information using the attributes. Meta tags do not impact the visual content of a web page. So it doesn't matter whether you include them or not when it comes to its appearance. Meta tag is used by search engines for indexing a web page. So including appropriate data using the meta tags will always helps. Meta tags can be added within the head element of a HTML document. Meta tag can have 4 different attributes. The attribute name is used to provide the property name, which can be anything like author, keywords, description, include, and so on. And the attribute content is used for providing property value. And the attribute schema is used to specify a schema to interpret properties value. And the attribute HTTP equivalent is used to set values for HTTP headers, content type, time for expires, refresh, and cookies. Overall, HTTP meta tags are used to provide useful additional information to a HTML document that is very useful for search engine indexing. Now, let's look at some of the examples of meta tags. The first meta tag has used the property author, where the value is provided as Arun Kumar, and then the description, and this is the value of the description, and then the property is keywords, and then these are the values that are provided for the keywords, and so on. Now let's look at a sample HTML document that is using all these meta tags. Here is the sample HTML document that is using all the meta tags that we have so far discussed. The first meta tag is to mention the character set, where we have used UTF-8. And the next one is to mention the viewpoint, where we have provided the width will be the device width and what is the initial scale of the application. And the next meta tag we have provided author, and on the next meta tag we have provided the description, keywords, revised, and refresh, and the content type. If we look at the HTTP equivalent refresh, so we have provided the value as 3, which means for every 3 seconds the page gets refreshed. If you look at the HTML document on the browser on the right hand side, you can see that the page gets loaded for every 3 seconds, as we have provided that details using this meta tag. If you look at this refresh button, it gets refreshed every 3 seconds, and you can even look at the console where the content is getting reloaded every 3 seconds. In this video, we have gone through some of the important meta tags that we need to define in our HTML documents. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.